So guys, ensure you take your rest.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here once again. Holidays and cheer. But now I got my eye set on you. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow felt I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. I've been trying to tell you in every way, but now I'll get it done. I'm not gonna wait. And right around the mistletoe, I'm gonna let my feelings show. Always got you on my mind, but I know this time you're on top of my list. Only wish. And as we decorate the tree, only you and me, I'll be making plans, make you understand. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow felt I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. I've been trying to tell you in every way, but now I'll get it done. I'm not gonna wait. And right around the mistletoe, I'm gonna let my feelings show. I've been waiting for so long for you, but now I got it planned. I know just what to do. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow felt I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. I've been trying to tell you in every way, but now I'll get it done. I'm not gonna wait. And right around the mistletoe, I'm gonna let my feelings show. I'm trying to tell you, wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow.
So this is the sleeping Renee. 7 o'clock and we're still in a year. But the tiredness and the sleepness come down upon we. Yeah, from after one that Eddie I do. See it here? No sir. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I never done get dressed. Here, just a finish. Yeah, me are late for work. Lord, please that I reach in time, please. Yeah, it worth it, guys. It worth it. Yeah. Woo. What I'm going to talk about this morning, fix up yourself and just step out. That me feel like this morning. Anyways, catch you all. Good morning, guys. Good morning. How are you doing this morning? So, what I'm going to talk about this morning, I just want to say, guys, ensure you take your rest. Your rest is important. Drink your water and ensure you take your rest. Because you see when your body tired and the body decides say, I'm not going further because it's tired. Nothing what you do can't stop it from lick, you know. The past few days, I haven't gotten much sleep because starting off Tuesday morning, that morning I was moving up the furniture and stuff them so that I could start painting. No man, look walk tired already. Tuesday night now, we started painting the living room. And Tuesday night now, we left and did something and came home back after 1 to 2. Get little rest. Wednesday, I wake up back after 5 to go to work. Go work, come home, leave, go somewhere, go do something again, some other work. And then last night, the night, that was a Wednesday night, me leave, go for my cousin and start do the hair here. No, me, nah come, no ear or braid, no ear again, starting in a late night. 1 o'clock we start the ear, and up to, because we're tired also, up to 7 o'clock the morning, we still do the ear, because you're tired. And she left work as well to do my hair, so you know, so she tired too. So, remember we no rest, that at 7 o'clock. Me leave go work, and after me leave go work now, after me leave go work, come home back, I go to my family house. We paint up my daughter room, my uncle room, my mother room. Not me alone, you know, I assisted in painting out my mother room, the dining room, my uncle room, and my daughter and my little cousin room. So you know, so me leave there again after 2. So not sleeping Wednesday any at all to Thursday, reaching home again after 2. You know what? I set the alarm for wake up 8 o'clock and I reach work 9 o'clock. Morning, I reach work 9 o'clock. The alarm go off 8 o'clock and you don't want to wake up until very late. Yeah, until very late. So yeah, ensure I get your rest. Alright, so I'm done here. Sure, I'm get to sleep here. In a taxi now. That it's up the bucket. He got your hopes and I got. Don't need a mix.
Chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance.
You know, so Casey, I put me back to the stage when I like it. Fully. Just make me feel bad. Oh Lord, thank you.
Think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song.